Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting welcomes you. So, my dear students, a small request for you. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్లో రిలేటివ్స్లో అకౌంటింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలామంది ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళకి మన ఛానల్ గురించి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయమని చెప్పండి, షేర్ చేయమని చెప్పండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. ఇది నాకు చాలా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. మరిన్ని వీడియోలు తీయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. నౌ గెట్ ఇన్ టు సబ్జెక్ట్. సో టుడే, as a part of depreciation, let us discuss sale of asset under diminishing balance method or written down value method or reducing balance method. Okay, so take this example. On 1st January 2020, Suma purchased a furniture for rupees 80,000. So depreciation is provided 10% per annum annually under WDV method. On 31st December 2022, furniture was sold for rupees 40,000. So on 31st December 2022, furniture was sold for rupees 40,000. Okay. In case of sale, what should be done? Okay, so let us discuss at this point. Okay, next, to show the furniture account assuming that the books are closed on 31st December every year. So this is the most important. Already I told you. First you scan the problem, then decide when the books are closed. Okay, got it. So let us prepare furniture account. Come to, on 1st January 2020, Suma purchased a furniture for rupees 80,000. So that means purchase of asset. The journal entry, furniture account data to bank account on 1/1/2020. No transaction takes place between 1/1/2020 to 31st/12/2020. So then provide depreciation on 31st/12/2020 by depreciation account 80,000 into 10/100, 8,000. So the balance C by D 72,000. Then brought forward. So that means 1/1/2021 to balance B by D. Okay, so balance B by D 72,000. Then no transaction takes place between 1/1/2021 to 31st/12/2021. So hence we provide depreciation on 31st December 2021. 31st December 2021. So by depreciation account. So we are following diminishing balance method. So that means diminishing balance method. Under this method, a fixed percentage of depreciation is calculated on the book value. So book value means the value which appears at the beginning of the every year. So that means here 1/1/2021. So balance 72,000. So this is the book value at the commencement of this year. Hence we are providing depreciation on this figure. So that means 72,000 into 10/100. So that means 7,200. Okay, so then balance 72,000. So here by balance C by D 0, 0, 8, 4, 6, 8, 12, 7. Good. 64,800. So then the same balance brought forward to the next period. So that means 1/1/2022. So to balance B by D 64,800. Okay, 64,800. So then no transaction takes place between 1/1/2022 31st/12/2022. But so what is the speciality of 2022? In this year, the asset has been sold for rupees 40,000. in the year of sale, we should follow three steps. We should follow three steps in the same manner as in the case of fixed installment method. Step 1. Calculate depreciation from the commencement of that year to the date of sale. From the commencement of that year to the date of sale. So that means sale has been made on 31st 12 2022 by depreciation account. So that means 64,800 into 10%, 10 by 100. So that means 6,480. 6,480. So second step, pass journal entry for sale of asset. The journal entry is cash or bank account data to asset account. Here cash or bank account data to furniture account. So furniture account credit side same date by cash or bank. Within bracket sale of asset. So how much? 40,000. Okay. So step 3. Then ascertain the profit or loss. Ascertain the profit or loss by way of balancing figure by closing furniture account. So then close the furniture account. So that means 64,800. So then the same is transferred to this side 64,800. So from 64,800 deduct 6,480 and 40,000. So let me use our calculator. 64,800 minus 6,480 minus 40,000. Okay, so 18,320. So 18,320, which is loss. That means transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, loss. Same date. Okay, but this profit or loss, that is 18,320, can also be ascertained by preparing a working note for that, like this. Cost of asset 80,000. Then calculate total depreciation from the date of purchase to the date of sales. So that means depreciation for 2020, that means 8,000. Depreciation for 2021, so there 7,200. Next to depreciation for 2022, so that means 6,480. Now the total depreciation is 8,000, 7,200, 6,480. So that means 21,680. Okay, so the balance is 80,000. That means 58,320. So this is the value just before sale, or book value as on the date of sale. Book value as on the date of sale. Okay. So if the asset is sold for rupees 58,320, then no profit and no loss. If the asset is sold more than 58,320, we get profit. If asset is sold less than 58,320, we get loss. But here the sale of asset less sale of asset 40,000. So the difference is 18,320. Okay, so there also 18,320. So this is the procedure for calculation of profit or loss and preparation of furniture account or asset account. Okay, good. Suppose if the asset is sold in the middle of the year, then what should be done? Okay, so here on 31st December 2022, so I am changing this date, so that means 1/7/2022. So on 1/7/2022, okay, on 1/7/2022, furniture was sold for rupees 40,000. So in that case, how to prepare furniture account? So first year, same. Second year also same. Come to third year. In third year, the asset is used only for 6 months. That means calculated depreciation only for 6 months. That means 64,800 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. So that means 3,240. Then journal entry for sale of asset in usual manner. Then ascertain the profit or loss by balancing figure. So come to here. First year depreciation 8,000. Second year 7,200. Third year beginning value 64,800 into 10 by 100 into 6 months, because the asset has been used only for 6 months in that year. 6, but that means 3,240. That means 3,240. Then total depreciation, that means 8,000, 7,200, 3,240. So that means 18,440. Then the total depreciation should be deducted from 80,000. The resulting figure is 61,560. Then deduct sale of asset. So that means 61,560 minus 40,000. Okay, 21,560. 21,560. So this procedure is to be followed when the asset is sold in the middle of the year. Suppose if the asset is sold on 1/10/2022, 1/10/2022, in this year the asset has been used from January 1st, 2022 to 1/10/2022. So that means 9 months has been used. Then calculate depreciation for only for 9 months. That means 64,800 into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. Okay, got. So this is the sale of asset under diminishing balance method. Okay. Tomorrow or in next video, we are going to start bills of exchange, which is the very, very important. Okay. Till then, thank you. Thank you very much.